You ready for it?
Go for it.
Oh, who's going first?
You're going first.
Okay, so Dave, in the past, a couple of vans ago, mate, we had the Pro Series in our van. Mate, why the push now for the B-TECs? I mean...
Mate, it's easy.
Okay.
As a company, we've kind of, I guess you could say, we've always pitched Pro Series as the premium solution. And in essence, we've done ourselves out of business because we've just done so well with the B-TEC solution.
Yeah, right, yes.
So combined with these sys boards, so they're the pre-assembled power systems that we build in-house in Brisbane and in Victoria. And combined, the technology's just improved so much. And it's gotten to the point that everything that made the Pro Series solution, and for those that don't know, these are the white lithium battery solutions with the external BMS that Enerdrive built. And everything that made them kind of the pinnacle has been matched or superseded in some cases by our own solution with B-TEC.
Okay. So the old white pack batteries, they didn't have an internal BMS where that was
B-TECs external, and it consumed a lot of space.
Okay.
There was benefits, don't get me wrong.
Yes. Okay.
The Pro Series solution was a hardy solution, but it was hard to support. There was a lot more involved in the installation.
Okay.
And when things went wrong, it was harder to find suitable technicians around Australia to help our customers.
Okay.
Now, naturally, if the responsibility was on us, we'd bear that cost, but we still needed to partner with really good installers. And the cool thing about the B-TEC solution is it's much easier to interpret. So a lot of the smarts are built into the battery. With 300 amp battery, we've actually increased the size of the BMS so we can run greater loads. You see, the last hurdle with Pro Series, the last really deciding factor that kept it moving was our combis, our 3,000 watt inverter charge combis.
Yeah, that's right.
But recently, thanks to the improvement of the BMSs on the B-TEC solutions, we've actually started endorsing those inverter chargers on a B-TEC solution.
So
there's nothing left to justify buying a Pro Series over a B-TEC.
Okay guys, so Chris had an idea, a pretty good idea, and we're not going to admit to Chris that he had a good idea, but he suggested that we compare the Pro Series to the B-TEC solution, so let's get into it. And what you're looking at here is 10 years in the making. This is the BMS for our Pro Series range. It's been a great solution, but it is complicated, there's no doubt about it. Now if you have a look in here, all the good aspects of this have been incorporated into this, making it a perfect, simple solution for caravans and motorhomes. But check this out. That, at 35 kilos, combined with this, equates to this simple application at 25 kilos, making it a perfect application for caravans and motorhomes. You can parallel these up to 900 amps because they comprise of 200 amp options and 300 amp options. So we typically use those two size batteries in caravans and motorhomes, 200 amps, 400 amps, 600 amps, or 300 amps, 600 amps, and 900 amps. Of course, there is also a 125 amp at 12 volt available as well. This makes for a simple solution, guys. You can travel Australia-wide knowing that any decent auto electrician will help you because the installation is simple and easy to interpret. Okay guys, so there it is. Not a bad system, pretty complicated, not so easy to understand, not so easy to support, certainly not so easy for your auto electrician as you're traveling around Australia should you have any questions. B-TEC, really easy, simple to understand for you and for the installer and for the support person. You'll travel Australia-wide confidently with a B-TEC power system. Back to you, Chris.
How's this? You guys have got a 600 amp battery system, right? But a lot of people have 300 amps. But if they want to have a system like yours, all they've got to do is reach out to their local dealer and buy another 300 amp B-TEC battery.
As long as you've got the size
and
there,
parallel them together, hook up positive to positive, negative to negative, stagger your load connections, and you're done.
It's just a no-brainer, isn't it? It really is.
Exactly.
Awesome.
And you know, all the B-TEC batteries, combined with all the chargers and monitors and everything else Enerdrive does associated to that system, so our complete power system is actually a 5-year warranty nowadays.
Wow.
That's been the case for a couple of years, but we probably haven't done a great job at promoting it. But it's a genuine 5-year warranty, and we also provide a lifetime tech support guarantee as well.
Such peace of
mind.
So
people can ring us for the entire life of the system for support. And you know, that's really well received. That's really the foundation of Enerdrive. We're known for our support.
Mate, this is why we use Enerdrive.
Yeah,
100%.
There you go.
That's amazing.
That's the answer, mate.
Good work, buddy. Thank you.
Cheers.
Go the B-TECs, mate.
Cheers, guys.